You're watching Tajamul Adil. Today I'm talking about DDPAI Z60 Pro, which is a 3-channel dash camera offering 4K front, 1080p rear and 2K interior with high quality Sony Starways 2 technology for excellent day and night image quality, dual HDR and built-in 32 GB storage. Also, it's offering a 24/7 parking monitoring system with a 5G connectivity system. All these features in just $269. Z60 Pro offers 4K front, 2K interior and 1080p rear with the Mini 2X external camera. Let's do an unboxing and see what's inside the box. The Z60 Pro from DDPAI is one of the handful 3-channel dash cameras. The Z60 Pro dash camera features a solid premium build with a compact matte black plastic design and a supercapacitor for enhanced temperature reliability. The Z60 Pro features a 3-inch screen, full color IPS screen and 4 physical buttons below it for navigation and setting adjustment. The front camera is a high-performance 4K camera featuring a Sony Starways 2 IMX678 sensor. In contrast, the HD rear camera comes with the Sony Starways 2 IMX662 sensor, and the interior Mini 2X is a compact and versatile dashcam that records in 2K QHD resolution. The installation of the Z60 Pro 3-channel dash camera with the hardware kit involves mounting the cameras and connecting the hardware kit to your vehicle's fuse box for continuous power. Professional installation is often recommended for hardwiring, ensure correct connection and avoid battery issues. Clean the front windshield area near the rear view mirror where the main Z60 Pro unit will be mounted, and follow the process as I show a step-by-step process in the upcoming video section. As we already learned the installation process of Z60 Pro Mini 2X rear camera, and next shifted to the 4G Cloud Box installation process. Before installing the 4G Cloud Box, you must insert the active 4G SIM with the internet package, then connect the Cloud Box to the main dash camera. We already inserted the activated 4G SIM with the internet package into the tray. Connect the Type-C female connector of the 4G Cloud Box to the existing power cable from your intelligent hardware kit and complete the process. After successfully installing the 4G cloud box with the Z60 Pro, I want to show you the key advantages of the 4G connectivity system. Receive immediate alerts on your smartphone if a collision, impact, or other emergency event is detected. You can use the DDPAI app to stream live video from your dashcam, front, rear, and interior anytime, anywhere, providing instant peace of mind about your vehicle surroundings. The Z60 Pro parking monitoring footage is clear and high quality thanks to its advanced sensors and AI enhanced night vision. The continuous 5G connection enables seamless 24 by 7 monitoring while parked, providing a high level of security than non-connected systems. After connecting your smartphone with the dash camera, you can customize your setting, and I want to share my setting for the best result and performance. Also, you can customize the Mini 2x dash camera settings from the DDPAI mobile app, and here is my settings. Lastly, I want to share the Z60 Pro 3-channel dash camera day and night footages. The front camera is a high-performance 4K camera featuring a Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor. The HD rear camera comes with the Sony Starvis 2 IMX662 sensor, and the interior Mini 2X is a compact and versatile dashcam that records in 2K QHD resolution. The video quality is good enough to capture a comprehensive record of events, and AI ISP night vision 2 technology automatically brightens the footage in dark environments to enhance clarity. The Z60 Pro from DDPAI is a solid overall choice, excellent 4K front, 1080p rear and 2K interior camera. I really enjoyed its 5G connectivity system and 24/7 parking monitor system. If you are looking for a 3-channel dash camera with the 24/7 parking monitoring system, then you can consider Z60 Pro for your next car security system. All these excellent features are in just $269 and you can find the buying links in the video description. If you are looking for 360 action camera videos, then click on this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in this video.